Okay, the wife ordered me a box. I've always wanted a box. They're so cool. Okay, enough of the jokes. Kind of a hint. No, they did not send it to us. The wife ordered this because I'm the Jeep and I'm my pickup. The pickup, nobody makes a cold air intake for it, so I'm going to build my own. So what we have, and then the Jeep, somebody took the stock air box out. So again, I'm going to build my own box and make it watertight, put a snorkel. That's on the Jeep. The pickup, I just want a cold air intake. I hate that little tiny can on top of the Plenium. So let's take a look. Well, they do a really nice job of boxing it. Ain't that a pretty box? Okay, I know you guys want to see. It is really well packaged though. And I'm destroying their pretty packaging. There we go. Box, pan, brake. Yeah, it's only 12 inches for doing air boxes. I think they'll be sufficiently fine. So gotta figure out. There's a handle. There we go. So stay tuned. Another thing I'm going to be doing is we're going to be cutting up the Jeep. Not scrapping it, but we're just going to be cutting it up, removing a lot of fender material, rear wheel well. And I'm thinking about cutting the back half off of it. And so I'll be using my pipe anvil, I'll be using this, and I'll be using the welder a whole lot. So you'll have to stay tuned, that's all I can say.